5-minute guided meditation for whispers of tranquility. Find a quiet space where you can fully immerse yourself in the soothing sounds around you. Close your eyes and let the music and the delicate bird calls cocoon you. Take a deep breath in, inviting serenity, and exhale any lingering tension. Feel the gentle sway of the music and the birds' soft melodies grounding you. With each breath, imagine your roots extending into the earth, connecting you to the present moment. Shift your focus to your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your chest. Breathe naturally without force. Each inhale brings calm. Each exhale releases busyness. Let your breath be your guide. Picture yourself in a sun-kissed garden surrounded by blossoming flowers. The birds flit from branch to branch, their songs weaving into the music. Each note is a petal of peace drifting down around you. Repeat this affirmation silently. I am attuned to the symphony of life. Each sound is a breath of life, each breath a sound of peace. As the meditation gently concludes, take a final deep breath, absorbing the essence of the music and the birds' whispers. Slowly open your eyes, feeling refreshed and connected to the natural world. Stretch your limbs, carrying the tranquility from this meditation into your day, like a secret shared between you and the birds. Thank you for allowing yourself this moment of stillness. May the whispers of tranquility stay with you, echoing through your heart.